Good friends, today I bring you a very interesting video about how to make symmetry in a plane. It is because at some point we need a right view of this solid in the plane. We will save time in modeling. Since as we have this left view, we can do it make it right. Just copy this view. Here is Ctrl C. We pass its below. We also copy our isometric view data. With me also need to play it here. Yes, here. It is due since it's the manufacturing of the code quickly. We need other bits like this one for the position right. For the modeling view. Don't spend time modeling again. So we go not to our team in that. Now go to manager property bar and go down. Yes, down a bit to the symmetric option. We already select one. We check to create symmetrical view. We tell it to be placed in horizontal section perfect since it we use it vertical. It will see the view in down. We want, but we do not want it. We just want it to be the right of our seek upper. It's left. Yes, at the left we have that or the seek. Now we have to manufacturing the need quickly. Side. Right, my friend, right. Send isometric is perfect enable that variant. Side, side. Now here symmetrical view. To make side other view symmetrical in section horizontal. We not make vertical and we do not want it. Now I need right. The view upper that is left. Now other view that is side right. Then we have information work call. These two for our workshop that only did it. One left and one right. Now we want it to be the direction of the system that we have requested now for manufacturing. They have both on the left and the right. Now our symmetrical view composes all the information that the left view